This is Joan of Arc and Bea. We are celebrating Bea's birthday. We just went to see a movie.
Deadpool.
We watched Deadpool, and there were a lot of people there, and more people here. Oh my gosh, there's even a photobomb behind us. So wow, this is just so amazing. Just a lot of people willing to get sucked into this big monster. They're all sucking in everybody's money. Just all this commercialism and consumerism, and we're into this as well. Just look at all these people willing to get sucked in. This is crazy. There's so many people in this literal shopping complex. It is indeed a shopping complex of people. Just look at these people everywhere. Shop, 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 till you literally drop. Buy, buy, buy. Buy stuff. Buy stuff that you're gonna stuff in your house, and they're gonna stuff your house until you get overstuffed by all these stuff that you're gonna buy. So why are we here? Nah, we're just enjoying the aircon. Hey, what are we buying this time? Churros, best favorite. So Bea likes the dark chocolate, me too, as well as the plain churros. We don't like strawberry. It's fake strawberry. It's just pink sugar. I want to go back to my province, to go back to nature. I want to see trees. I want to see real people. I want to see sand and stones and real fresh air and green. So people, 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 people. People, people, people. People, people, people. And I can imagine that the roads, the overpasses are like blood streams. It's the one pumping blood into the system, and the blood are the people themselves, going here and there, circulating, literally circulating. Green belt. Okay, so from SM, we went through to, what was that, Glorieta, and then to Landmark, and now we're here at, what's this?
Greenbelt.
Oh, Greenbelt. Is it because it's greener? Ayala Museum. Why are people lining up? International Museum Day.
Yes, it's free admission.
Free admission for everyone. Okay, so let's do this at the Ayala Museum. Thank you. Where do the lines start? That's the top of the line. Okay, thank you. International Museum Day today. So admission is free. It's 250 an entrance. If you're a student, if you have a student ID, you pay half. But today it's for free. Well, what do you know? May 20, the International Day of the Museum. It's also Bea's birthday and Anna's 5th anniversary. And I'm here at Ayala Museum. Here. Right, we're at the ground floor of Ayala Museum, and we are looking at contemporary art exhibition. Erwin Böhm, Austrian artist, sculptor, and photographer. What is this installation all about? So what are we supposed to do with, you know, these pails and buckets and... Okay, so this is supposed to be an art exhibition of wash basins. Alright, that's cute. And this is the only place where we're allowed to take photos and videos. Not in the Ancient History Museum. This is Cory Aquino, Benigno Aquino, and we're of the same height. Look at this awesome galleon of ancient history. And that concludes our free museum tour for today. This is Joan of Arc and Bea saying happy birthday to you, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.